How to change outfits in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Start by coming over to the selection tool and choose the lasso tool. Next, start tracing around the outfit that you want to change. Be careful as you're doing this. With that complete, click into Generative Fill, then click into this reference image icon and then choose reference image. Next, find the photo that you want to change the outfit for. I have mine saved here and then choose open. Next, come down to reference to and select object. And then with the intent, we want to swap the selected area. With that configured, click generate. Give Photoshop a moment to process this image. And once it's done, you will see the new outfit loaded into your model there. If we come over to properties, we can cycle through a few variations so you can pick and choose whichever one is more suitable for you. And that's all there is to it.